Hi, here is the Olympus AF1 twin. Overall condition is like this, and here is the battery compartment. Using two CR123A battery, so we just put it accordingly. But when you put the battery inside, you need to take the ribbon out first, so that when you want to like remove or replace the battery, you can just pull it up, then the battery will come out. Then here, pull to open it, and here's the film. We just slide into it to make sure that the film canister center point is matched with the motor, and put the film tip to here. Yeah, as you see inside got the indicator. It will show like where to put it. Okay, close it. And when we open, here show figure 1, which means that you can start shooting right now. So here is the shutter button and viewfinder. Look into the viewfinder. At the center point there got a circle, so you just use that thing to aim whatever you want to focus, then half press, shoot. It's quick flash and quick focus, so it's quite fast for it to shoot. Then it's twin version, which means that it comes with the dual lens, where you can press this button to let the lens switch from white to tele. Look into the viewfinder, you will see it like currently is white. I click this tele. Yeah, it's like a zoom lah. The earlier stage of the zoom is like this, like it just switch it. Yeah. Then here is the continuous shooting. You can like press it. If you didn't release the shutter, it will keep shoot. Yeah. Then this is the timer. Also press. Then here have a red light up, which means that it start counting already. It's like around 10 seconds. So yeah. Okay. Then here is the flash setting. You can off it. This is fill-in flash. This one is auto. Not for you normal user or beginner. I would recommend you just put it at fully auto will do. Yeah. So you just all the way, you just aim and shoot it. Aim and shoot it. And when you shoot finish, it will auto rewind. So yeah, no worry in using. Hope you enjoy it. And if you didn't use it, close it like this. Then you can't fire the shutter anymore.